To start the plugin, we need to first to install a plugin. Okay. From the menu here, you can find if you have any plugin installed before, you can find it from here. And then what we need is we need so-called a plugin builder. Okay, that's the tool help us build the plugins. If you do not have it, you can go to Manage and Install Plugins. Then you find the installed and not installed and all plugins. From there, you go search for plugin builder. So that will give you the name of the builder. Then if you see this plugin builder pop up, then you check it. Then you go if you do not have that installed, you go press here. Should be an install button here. Then you install the plugin, then you can use it. Okay, once you install this, you can see the plugin is here. Then use the plugin builder help you make a plugin templates from the templates. Then it'll actually help you to give a structure of the plugins, and you can fill in with some information that you need. And also you can add the codes generated from plugin builder. Okay. And then to use this, I have little notes here that you can try to follow. And maybe this is a reference for you to build the plugins. From here, the first step, of course, to install the plugin builder. Then in the plugin builder, you fill in the information for your plugin, including the class name and plugin name, descriptions and module name, and some version numbers. You can fill in the information based on your request. Okay, so if you come to here, and then, for example, I'm building another plugin that will be a different purpose for what I have done before. Okay, so anyway, I will say this is the demo plugin. Then plugin name will stay the same, demo plugin. Then description, this is for demo. Okay, and module name, like this is actually module name will be something inside your plugin. You can have multiple modules, for example. Then I will say module name will be demo for plugin. Okay, so you can just write it module name. Then this is optional. You can put your author name and your email address in there, I guess. Yeah, so that's basically what you need. You need that information. So we just say that's your name, and then you fill in your email in here. Okay, then that should be fine. Next, then here you want to provide a brief description, and for the time being, I don't fill in anything. I just leave it open. Then third one will be what will happen when you click the plugin button. So it will be like a two button with dialog that will come to here. But if you go to other options like processing provider, it will go into the two boxes over here. Okay. Anyway, in here I will show you the two button with dialog. Then in here you want to see what's the text for the manual plugin. So that will be a plugin you do. Then you put like a demo of plugin, demo of a plugin. Right, so you just put it in here, and the menu will be plugin menu. If you want to put it into different menu, that's fine, but I would just recommend you do this. Then you just leave this open because all this will be created as empty holders and for with no information actually, but you can fill them in with more coding and documentation in there. Anyway, we just go click next, and then it will be here. Next screen here is the website, the publication that you want to publish. Once you publish the item, and then they will give you some links here for user to track the issues or see your web page, And I will flag the plugin as experimental because it's not published right now. Then you just leave this open here, and you don't have to get a URL right now. But if you do have a URL, you can add this one information later. Then click next. You'll see I got a plugin will be created in SongPath. Okay, just I recommend that you do a folder using for example, I'm doing programming. I'm just put into a programming folder, and then in there, Python script, for example, I do QGIS plugins. I'll put something in here, so that will create a plugin under this folder only. And then once I finish coding in here, I'll copy the plugin to the actual plugin location of the QGIS. Okay. Then I would say generate. Then it will generate the plugin for you. Then if you go to the plugins, not here, it should be your documents. And then I put in, remember that I put into my Python scripts and QGIS plugin, and I have demo for plugin. That's the new one here. Okay, right. So this plugin is just created. Then you want to use the plugin, you just copy everything from here, copy that, and then you should be able to see the location of your your QGIS plugins. In my case, my QGIS plugin are in. Let's see, I don't have a link here, but I'll find it. I'll find it in here. For example, you go to plugin, go to Python console, then you type in import system, and then you print system.path. This one will give you the location of the plugins. For example, I have C drive and QGIS 3 profiles default Python plugins. That is my plugin location. Okay, then you can also maybe change it later, but this is what we have here. Okay, to find this location, you go C drive app data, right? You find whatever your username was. Then you go there. For example, I'm just switching to a different window for this, and then go to the roaming and QGIS and QGIS 3 profiles default, then Python plugins. Right? I have several in here. Then I can copy that plugin to here. Then I just 11. Okay, copy that to here. Then in plugins here, and I don't see it right here. I don't see it here, right? So what you need to do is close your QGIS, and then you restart it. And then your plugin should be shown in this plugin menu. If not, you have to install it specifically in the QGIS. Let's go to plugins, and to manage plugins, they're here. Then you see the one installed, I think should be something demo, right? See that demo plugin here? If I check it and close, you will see this plugin here and demo plugin. And this one does not do anything yet. It gives you the empty dialog right now. Oh, demo. This typo there. But it'll be actually something you can just implement later. Okay. Anyway, that's the first step of doing the plugin.